Jed got the poutine. Well, what kind of poutine is it?
It's the BB spicy poutine with like jalapenos, gravy. Like I think it's a jalapeno gravy that they put in there. It looks legit.
I just fogged up my
Cheese balls. Cheese balls. There we go. There's it.
prawn stick.
Brown.
So we got Ron trying his cheese stick.
I thought it was imitation crab meat, but this is real.
It's real prawn.
Oh, it's prawn sticks. I said cheese sticks. And here we go. It's the first time that Noel gets filmed before the two of us. So
Cheese balls. Yeah, might be hot. Sour cream goodness in there. It's good.
there's sour cream in there too. This is the first time I'm trying this, and wow,
Isn't it insane? That sauce alone, the gravy,
yeah,
has such an Asian feel and Filipino feel to it.
yeah, it's like so comfortable.
Yeah.
Like it's so close to home. It's like Asian Canadian poutine. Oh yeah. It's like achara. It's like a radish and a vinegar, but it's cubed up instead of shredded.
Right, let's try some cheese balls. Oh my god. It just burst in my mouth like a buck chewing gum. Wow. That hit the back of my throat. These are original. Oh my god. Actually, I thought it was going to taste more like Popeyes, but it's totally different. Different seasoning, different kind of crunch. It's definitely more crunchy than any southern barbecue, southern deep fried chicken I've ever had.
I love the radish, man.
Explain what you got.
Got the soy garlic wings recommended by Jed. So I'm going to give it a shot. Oh wow, that's good. That's good.
That's one of mine. I gotta try it.
Good one.
Honey,
Soy garlic.
Soy garlic wings.
It's good stuff. What I got is the Korean spicy grilled wings. They're not deep fried, as you can see here. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot.
dude, you should see your background. It looks amazing. It looks like an 8x10 shot.
Here we go.
Dude, have you had that before?
Oh, that is really good.
Oh my god.
Like let it cool down, but once it cools down, I know it's just gonna be
What does
amazing.
it taste like? What are the
It's
ingredients?
spicy and it's sweet.
So a soya sauce with a...
Probably soy and some chili and stuff, but it's really good. Like, you just gotta try it. See that spicy Korean sweetness?
Right.
It's like on point.
I'm not even acting, man. This is real deal. I'm so full. There's 3 left. They're so spicy hot. It's more like adobo, spicy, but like what Noel said, it just grows on you like a mole. It takes over your body. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this
We're leaving
out.
a box call. Is there anything else that you want?
Just a box for this.
Yeah.
And I think that's it. You know what, man? I love spicy food. My body is not as used to it when you get older, but I still like it. But this poutine is insane. That was honestly more shocking to me than anything else today. And the cheese balls that hit the back of my mouth. Right? Ladies. Okay, what'd you think?
Soy chicken, which I recommended Noel get, was really good. But yeah, that one, you bite into it and the spice just grows on you.
Thank you.
Then you start sweating and it's really good. I think it's probably better with bread. And then the bread is
It's good.
Okay. Your shit was so hot,
yeah,
and my shit was so crispy. And your shit was in your pants.
tasty. Very tasty.
Yeah. What was your? My favorite thing was the poutine, hands down.
Yeah, the poutine was good. The cheese balls.
The cheese balls was second.
It was
The
good.
chicken wings are always going to be good. You can't go
Yeah,
wrong
regardless,
with
chicken wings are good.
Nothing was too over the top for me here. I liked your wings the best.
Spicy.
Yours second and mine third.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with wings, but it gave that Asian flavor, like an Asian close to home type
Yeah.
of taste. It was like really good.
And so Saturday we're gonna do
Canadian poutines.
Canadian poutines with its son.
Yeah, so check out that episode soon.
See you there.